Hi everybody, I'm back. Look here, today I'm about ready to cook some steaks for me and my wife today, and some good old steak, man. Look at this, good old steaks. This is I think I forget, ribeye steak, 3 inches thick, and I'm ready to go ahead and show how y'all to grill this real good. I'm gonna cook them medium rare or well done, and it still be nice and tender. And I did it overnight. Marinated with Worcestershire sauce and also some meat tenderizer. I used that all, and bitch, that's it. Really, the 2 seasons that's all I put in there. Okay, so I'm about ready to put this in the fire right now. The first steak. I'm gonna put them right here. Get that good old mop right there. So that's what I plan to do. You see how much I love y'all? It's cold outside. I got a coat and everything, and come out here and grill. Hey, why not? Grill for y'all. And fellas, this is the best time to do it when it's raining. When it's not raining yet, the football come on today. You're gonna have steak, and also when I go back in the house, I'm gonna fix some gumbo. I did it before, but this one here gonna be a different one. It'll be some shrimp in it. Okay, you put that steak in there. Oh yeah, let that do that. Let that cook. And so there he is, right here. That's what I got basically. That's it. Just play around. Just play around with the steak a little bit. They'll cook. I got them on like low, not too low, but I'm just adjusting this a little bit up. Not too much. I don't want to cook. You do not want to cook this thing all the way. Excuse me a second. Let me do it right now. I'm gonna shut it down a little bit. I'm going to shut it for a little bit. So that's all the business do. It's easy. Nice gas grill, charcoal broil. My wife bought this for me last year, and this is my 3rd time using it. And this year I'm gonna use a whole lot. Just poke your little fork around. It's tender. Cause like I say, I made sure I put tenderizer on it overnight. Worcestershire sauce. Oh man, get that flavor. Whoo! Hey, goodness. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and shut it. And what I'm gonna do right now, it'll go up to 350. And I'm going back in the house right now to this, and I'll be back. Hey everybody, I'm back. What I'm ready to do now, I'm gonna go ahead and just bring this up, because like I say, I don't want to burn up. I don't want to burn, okay? So what I'm gonna do right now is put them up here. The reason why I put them up here, if you finish cooking, up here, it won't be direct to the fire. You know what I'm saying? So I put them up here, and that helps. You might have a little bit of blood. I say medium rare, not well done too much, because you get them too hard. You want to taste the flavor of this meat. So what I'm ready to do now is go ahead and down this hatch. This grill, and what I'm ready to do is get a plate and put it in the plate. So favor me, and I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back, y'all. Let me show y'all how the steak look when you're done like that. See that? Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? That is nice. So I'm gonna cut it and see if this is right for me and y'all. Okay? Let's see what's happening. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. See how you look. Ah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep. Back them up a little bit like that. Yeah, back them a little bit. Let's see that steak. Look at that. See that? Got another little piece. Whew. Man, what a sun! Look at this. Look at y'all. Y'all like that? Look at it. Look at it. Huh? Look at that look. Look at it. I was cutting 2 pieces right now. Look at that. And that look nice? Look at that. That you call medium rare. Medium rare right here. That's a beautiful steak. Huh? Look at that. Look at this. Whoo-hoo! Man, oh man. Man, guess what? I'm going to try a piece of this right now. I'm going to try a piece of this steak right now. Cut a little piece. Look at this. Huh? Look at the steak. How that look to y'all? That look good? Huh? Huh? Man. Man. Wow. Now that you call steak. That you call steak. You understand me? Y'all give me a thumbs up. Press the subscribe button. So y'all like this. Okay? But now I want y'all to cook steak like this. Okay? Good steak on a gas grill. You can do it. Adjust the heat the right way. Keep playing with it. Sorry I'm chewing y'all ears right now, but man, this thing tastes good. So, y'all have a good day. And a blessed day. Again, come on to y'all. Championship again come on today and tomorrow. And I'm going to have some steak and some some good old gumbo with shrimp in them. I'll cook that later on. And I'll videotape that also. Okay?